Hi guys, so I just went outside and as you can tell my hair is a little crazy, it's a little windy outside. So I just wanted to show you a trick to how I get my hair detangled without hurting, and it's really good for blondes because your hair is more damaged than normal, but it's good for any hair color really, but I'm just specifically focusing on blondes because I'm a blonde. So I really love this brush because it detangles and it does not pull my hair at all, which I really like. So I'm just going to show you guys kind of how I use it. So here we go. So I'm just going to brush down, and as you can see, it is not getting caught at all, and it's literally just brushing right through my hair, and it does not hurt, and that's what I love about this brush. So as you can see, it just pretty much brushes out all that damage the wind did to my hair. This brush too, for when you get out of the shower and your hair's wet, you can dry it with this brush and it doesn't yank your hair out. And then also it's got this neat little feature right here that moves. And that is a volumizing feature, so you just put it in your hair and then move it and it volumizes your hair to where it's not flat and it gives it some body, which I really like as well. So this is just an all-around great brush that I absolutely love, and like I said, it's the Voluflex, and that's the name right there. So definitely go check it out. Thank you guys for watching.